Today's front end is a 2020 Ford Expedition XLT. This was the max version. Doesn't make a difference at this point, but it was. Pretty typical front clip, although you'll notice the front bumper has been removed. This is to make shipping a little bit safer because of size. So it's complete. We just unbolted it and we'll attach it separately to make sure it stays safe for the transit. Hood, fenders, headlights, grille, rad support. Fender liners are over there actually. They come along as always. No dash, also very typical for us. Very clean front end. Nothing to note on this one. Also typical, like I had mentioned previously. Rad, condenser, fan, overflow bottle, washer tanks over there. Setup's always pretty much the same, although there's some variations from time to time on exactly how it's set up. Nice clean headlights. New stories on this grille. Another glance at the bumper, and we'll head over to the miscellaneous parts. So splash shields, tie bars, some brackets, the engine appearance cover, all the little knickknacks that you need to do up front. If you have any questions, always welcome to give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112, and this is Jared.